can't see your legs. There you are. You fucking narc.
Welcome to the video. This is how I travel with $20,000 worth of carbon bikes. This is what I use to box them up. Just a quick video here. So if you have any questions about this video, let us know. We'll start the video in a second. Just got some B-roll here of Natasha riding the Anthem. This is the Anthem Advance, one of the best cross-country mountain bikes on the planet, I reckon. And we bought the S-Works Epic up. We've got some bike packing stuff coming up in far north Queensland. We were on the plane to Portugal yesterday, but the pilot said, you guys can't come to Portugal. We're going to dump you in Cairns and then fly across the ocean without you. So we got dumped in Cairns on the Anthem, on the Epic. And we've got some great videos coming up. So if you've got any questions, let us know below. Let's start the videos. This is how I travel with $20,000 worth of bikes. Carbon bikes, lightweight, super fragile, couple
So we're just at the airport. Gonna ride home. So I unbox my bikes. So I pack them. This is $12,000. And to open it, boom, here's a card. Put your fingers right at the tip and pop it. Done this hundreds of times. Saved thousands of dollars. Someone's catch a taxi, someone's catch an Uber. A lot of times I just ride my bike. So here we go. Carbon seat post, not a bad idea just to protect it from getting scratched up. I always inspect my carbon product, make sure it's all good. And then just pop them out like this. You can take off your rotors. I'm a bit lazy, so it's pretty straight. Yeah, close enough, mate, close enough. Now I let the tyres down. Some airlines require that. And there we go. We just pop the old 12.5 grand bike out of the box. Got some shoes and stuff in there. And so it cracks. Looks pretty good to me. And there you go. That's how it's done. And if you ever worry about anything, you just put the tools in here, the sock. A bit of grease on there. There we go. It's got my tools, Allen keys, etc. to build it up and get it done. And that's how I travel my bike. And then this couple box, I can stash it over there. It'll get recycled. You don't have to lug around this big brake drags and faffing around with that. Jump on the bike, save money, better get a workout, so to regionalise the area, get used to the weather and stuff like that. So there you go, that's how I roll. Easy done, put my pedals on, chuck the bike on, put the bags on it. Audi bro.
this video. A big shout out to Jetstar Australia for making this video happen. They do have vegan food on Jetstar, so it's fantastic. You can order vegan foods on Jetstar on the plane. I've grabbed a couple of sumo salad, quinoa salads, and some good vegan food. I always bring extra food with me. I like to eat a lot of food. I've always got snacks on me. You know, if I don't have snacks on me, I've failed. I've always got some carved up vegan snacks, be it fruit, be it some Cliff product, be it some sugar water, be it some rice or some little jam cakes. I've always got carbs with me, and if I don't, it's because I'm unorganised. I like to eat a lot, like to snack a lot, like to floss my teeth a lot. Just get it done, because then you got energy, so you land your destination, you're not feeling like, oh, I feel tired or whatever. You just, you can get stuff done, you're productive. If you're tired, you're just going to have a little power nap and get back to it. So that's what I love about this lifestyle, is you get to carb the fuck up, stay lean. I'm just so lean. Everyone who's taken my advice is lean long term. There's no exceptions to that. I mean, look how lean I am. It's insane. So carbs for the win, carb the fuck up. Rice, sugar, fruit, potatoes, corn, bananas, mangoes, peaches, blueberries, watermelon, quinoa, high carb vegan foods, baby. Refined sugars that keeps you lean as fuck. Look, I'm living proof. I mean, you can see the vascularity in my legs. These all the veins and shit popping out of me, all striations and that. So, and I'm not even doing hardcore training. Like, imagine I was doing hardcore training. Like, I mean, I couldn't do hardcore training. I get too lean. It's probably be like bones and skin and muscle. It'd be like glad wrap, man. It'd be like bad boy Bubby cling wrapping. But anyway, so these are the bikes we've taken. Bling bikes for bling locations. Some vegan lollies here. Juicy fruit, spearmint, double mint. Found some coconut ice that was vegan. And just walking through the shopping malls, eating refined sugar, representing the vegan leanness, getting it done. Blurry focus on the G7X. And just getting it done. That's how we roll. Carb the fuck up, get it done on the daily. Don't mean undercarb, motherfucker. Represent vegan, represent the animals, represent athleticism, and get it fucking done. Thanks for watching.
And another thing is always put a whiteout pen, so when you put your seat post back in, you've got a reference point to put it into. And always, any bolt you undo, I was just saying Tash, any bolt you undo, do it up. And then we're going to slide it in gently. Like that, and I just look for the liquid paper pen mark. Oops, just buffed it off. There it is, right there. And just straighten it up. She always use a torque wrench on carbon bits. But if you're bushyard back bike mechanic like me, you don't need a torque wrench, mate. She'll be right. The cracks is glued up with a super glue. And you just like that. Slip it up. And there we go. This is my Uber.